have this one, which I know, guys, I made a funny mistake. I was buying them. Wait, okay, I'll try to do it. When I was buying them, I wanted to buy these two, but then I accidentally used like this, and then I bought the bottom feet. So yeah, yes, we're gonna go with this. But I don't like the suitcases because I can tell. But the problem I love. We got our frozen. Even though it's floating in air like this, as you can see here. Yeah, so let's do a in my airline. Let's try the yellow plane. It's really big. Actually, let's do a small. I know you're like, we're gonna do business class. You're not gonna do business class. What's happening? It's just some planes are really big. Yeah. Done. Okay, so I'm just gonna ask her what's she always has like a mission. Okay. Okay, and I'm not gonna rush. It's just if I do it, I do it. If I don't do it, I don't. It's like whatever. I got my passport since what? Wait, actually, oh yeah, I just realized it's the mission. Okay, so this plane looks like this. I know it's already big. It's business class. This is the current one. And then this says economy. And then this is the guy. His name is Bob. So I'm gonna have to do this right now. It goes away. Oh, not kidding. That's gonna go here. Cups go up there. Now we close the door. It's gonna tell me when people start boarding. Business class board. Wait, let's not. I didn't finish this here. I usually play with Vic, so it's easier to do stuff. Close the cockpit door. Guys, probably next time I'm gonna do the video, if we get a lot of likes, I am gonna play with Vic. There's something wrong with me? My coughing, I swear. Okay, so this is business class. Oh, someone has a cat. Good. And in this game, you could have emergence. So, like, there could be a fight. There could be somewhere where you have to drive the pilot. There could be somewhere where someone loses their pet, which I think we're gonna experience. There could be a baby. There could be a celebrity. Oh yeah, you were right. There is no Wi-Fi for economy. Anyways, economy. Yeah, they can go. And guys, I know they have 3 things in my menu. I will upgrade as we go. Cause Vic's playing. I don't know. He's scary. He's scary. It is very scary. Do you know how she does it? Oh, you don't want to know how she does it. That's scary. I swear, I feel like I'm sick. I'm not. I'm perfectly fine. Oh, nobody look at me. I'm famous. Yeah, guys, this is what I was talking about. Celebrity. So we got celebrity now. Start your boarding. Let's see how these. Since they don't pay us, sometimes I don't call them. Guys. Okay. Where are you? Okay. Why is your mouth open? Okay. 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 Okay, Grandpa on board. Okay. Okay. Not okay. Not okay. Okay. Bro, we already had you. We have a guys. We have a skinwalker on board. We have another skinwalker on board. Look how much your face. You're also beautiful. Yeah, no.
Attention passengers, for everyone's safety, please keep your personal belongings with you at all times. Unattended luggage may be removed by airport security.
Close hatch. I'm gonna have to cut the trash from business.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain for the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us,
So guys,
and once again, welcome aboard.
I'm just giving you some time to think. We gotta fly with Vic next time. Yeah, I feel like I'm a pro at the game. I was like doing one side and then doing the other, so don't mind it. Yeah, guys, we're not gonna be going anytime soon. I'm just closing the door so none of you can leave. Enjoy. Wait, did I say something? Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna start closing the overhead bin because for some reason someone opened it. I can't close them. Or I just don't know how to close. Oh, we can leave some passengers like this? Oh, we can leave some passengers like this. I can literally start to take off. I mean, beats me. I'm okay with it. But I will do this. Because we get paid money for this. Wait, why'd you open the table already? You want the baby to sit on something or like what? So far I did no misclicks. So the pushback is actually like everything in the real airport, which is kind of... Look, you see our plane? What did I not do? Well, I can close the curtain. Oh, the overhead bins.
Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
Take off. Yeah, get up in the back. Yeah, for the password thing, I looked, I can see how much minutes the video has been running. It's 9 and 7 so far. But I think we're not gonna have time because like the timer is so high. We need Vic to clip this. Vic, we do it in like 3 minutes. We're already flying. And now this will be actually part where actually have to do it fast. I've seen all the emergency landings except
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude.
Okay.
The flight attendants should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Business as usual needs hot towel. Hot towel. Imagine what they're seeing. Oh my god. Help, I pushed every button. That's exactly why you're stuck there. Oh my god, my fear is getting stuck in these, My fear is getting stuck in those, like, bathrooms, because they're super easy to open, but they're the hardest thing you could ever do to get out. I swear. It's very scary. I wouldn't laugh at it. Guys, where are you seeing that on the menu? Oh, I forgot you have food. Sorry, guys, I forgot. So I'm just taking some time to think. Nutmegs. Go from the top, from the tippy top. Yeah, guys, it's gonna take some time, I'm guessing. Oh, wait, I'm gonna serve these Big Macs. Big Mac to kill food right now. But I never actually seen a business this small. I never seen it. 4 seats. I never seen that in my life. I travel a lot, guys. Oh, the guy will cook. I'm just like looking. Nothing's happened yet. Okay, business. We all done. We all good, okay? Okay, we all good. Oh my god, I have to serve these Big Macs. Okay, at least there's 2 seats empty. I agree on that. So, music. Oh yeah, alright. Yeah, actually, though, that would be it. I think the secret agent would be like, where the skibbity is here? So when did I ever buy something else? Here, guys. At least rate my outfit in the comments. I think it's good. I think it's good. Imagine someone wanting a Coke and then the other person next to them wanting Pepsi. Oh, that would be war. Ooh. By the way, guys, in this game, I can go into the loudspeaker, so I can turn it on and say something like funny. I can say subscribe. I can say what can I say? Boba. Oh, perfect. Oh my god, why do all of you so thirsty? Combine you a hippo. A hippo doesn't eat more. A hippo? Why do I keep saying hippo? A hippo looks at they say like, oh my god, oh. They're in first place. They're in first place. They are though. They are. Can someone say the white? I was supposed to put that on the airplane mode, now I'm gonna get less money. Okay, peanuts. Peanuts. Many times peanuts. Lays. Crap. Crap. 3 times crackers. 4 times crack. 5 times crack. Peanuts. Lays. Or chips. Yeah, I'm gonna call it chips. Nuts. Wait. Wait, peanut basically nuts. Yeah, basically nuts. Anyways, my brain was just off task there. What would you like, my dear friend, that I ordered to come on the flight? Okay? Okay. A hacker face wants this fellow. Okay. Okay. I understand. I understand. Hey, AKA. Okay. Perfect. Anyways, guys, we just gotta serve these fellas with the food. I know no one in real life would do my way, but if you no, because imagine going on an airplane, they're like, here's your water, 10 minutes later, here's your food. I would drink my water. I would be calling the assistant to give me more at one point. It could be like, oh, come on. It's on those flights, they give you or very big waters or very small waters. It can never be like perfect. I'm not trying to defend them. And some airlines, I'm gonna stay unnamed. I'm gonna stay unnamed because I don't want to offend anyone. Kind of have bad seats. You gotta get your seats. It's like, excuse me, but people are sitting on them. It's actually sometimes not that good. So just sit on seats that you know are not comfortable. Like ripped already? And the company's gonna stay unnamed, I'm telling you.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
Oh, you don't have any red buttons. There used to be a red button up here somewhere. I would just all the time just click on it. Anyways, I said I'm gonna distract. Anyway, pardon. And the trash because you ate no nothing. But when I go and play that, sometimes I don't eat anything. Well, what'd you say? What'd he say? If they would be able to write in the chat would be filled with some stuff people don't even need to know. You should be saying thank you, not go away. How much babies do we have on the flight and none of them lost their passport? Guys, I've done so many emergencies over the years. I had to tie patients together because they wouldn't put their seatbelt on, which usually is always the seatbelt. Usually it only happens with people who have to do all three things. It's like, put the chair back. Like, broski, I could give you a free skydiving lesson. Sometimes there's a glitch that is able to open. I could give you a free skydiving lesson. That's gonna be nice. I could like drag you. Cause like, you know when you have Roblox NPCs, you can like kind of like push them and like you can drag them away. Yeah, guys, you could do that. You're gonna get a free skydiving day. A passenger has lost their pet. Wrong. Why you come out of me? I'm gonna accidentally show you the garbage basket. You're gonna be sorry for that. Oh. What do you mean? Oh, my gosh, so sorry. Get the
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Why would you ever bring a pet like that? You're not supposed to. Buckle in the pet too for me. Would you do a favor? Yeah, don't say alright. We're getting a bonus from you. You should talk. Usually these videos can be long if we're not playing with it. Not because she's rich. Well, she is. But sometimes, it's just easier to have two people. Because when you don't have two people, you can sometimes like, how do I explain this? It's really hard to what is it called? It's really sometimes hard to like get everything really done quickly. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Because when you don't have a lot of people, it's always like you're trying to get everything done quickly, but then you mess up. And like for example, I'll give you an example. I've already done that. That's gonna get me off money like $10, which not a lot because I already have my daily my daily meal. I got 500, so that would be a lot. No. You don't want to do stuff. And sometimes if you're too close to them, like this, for example, like this, it'll go away. Or if you're like, Okay, it happens sometimes, but like it disappears, so you have to go farther. Just ask it. You probably see that throughout the video because that's what's been happening the whole time. Okay, guys, prepare for landing. Prepare for landing. Here's the speed code, by the way. Yeah, see, it's all the people on the. Wait, I'm gonna write something. Guys, you are nothing. Guys, what the landing? What type of landing is this? Guys, have you ever been on a plane that flipped? It isn't. Guys, we're landing. The only thing I'm doing is diving. Why is everything open? The worst. I don't know. The worst. That's not the worst. Not the worst. Had the impact. The impact is when they touch the ground for its weight. And here are all the bad. Well, I didn't know. These are bad. Let's keep talking. Anyways, yeah, see, 6 to 7. Big bad. Guys, no one heard anything. Guys, you heard something? Okay, let's open the curtains. I actually don't like when it's like this because this is actually pretty nice. So like, give me the private area. Okay, I'm running. The guy saying this airport looks fancier over here. Yeah, I agree. Okay, I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna do this. If this would be a connecting flight, they would have to go out, come back in. Other people, of course, I would have to clean everything, the restroom. Yeah, so let's see. Safety, 5 out of 5. Service, incorrect passengers once. Interaction, take off. So yeah, guys, that one wasn't a mistake. That was the one I showed you, so I got money for it. And then we have quality, menu item, upgrade to menu items, feats, destinations. Yeah, I know, I'm poor. Anyways, celebrity tip. I could give less, so great. Yeah, thanks. They're good. The most money is. So this is New York. I'm gonna show you what I mean by it. It's actually kind of new. They just made like a new in the game. The walls. Like that. So it's basically new York. Yeah, so all the passengers go here to each claim and then they go to the hotel. Which I'm gonna go to the hotel and I wanna end the video. But while walking there, anyways, this is my bathroom. I'm not gonna end it. As well as do something. So, you know, those are just about it. But if you lay down, and this is how I'm gonna end it. Guys, if you enjoyed, please like the video. Subscribe, maybe comment down something, That's gonna be better, I guess. Just do that. And then we have to play with Flip. Go on her airlines with 10 billion stuff. So, until next time, have a great time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!